This week we're hosting Ulster Scots Language Week. It's really about bringing the Ulster Scots language to a wider audience, to the whole community.
And it's about validation, it's about recognition, and it's about people learning that what they're speaking is not bad English, it's not dialect, it's not slang. It's a language, and it's their language, and it's for everybody.
It's about raising awareness among folk. There are lots of people out there. There's 140,000 people in the last census said that they had a level of ability in Ulster Scots. So there is a level of awareness out there, but we want to build it.
Language is for everybody. It's for everybody.
Link between person and place are going to become increasingly important in a world where everything is becoming like everything else.
I would hope the future holds for Ulster Scots is a rich, vibrant future where it grows and is recognised in society for the important role that it can play.